Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one requires, let's say, or is using directly your contact list, and the second is using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both. So let's begin with your contacts. So let's open them, for example, using the dialer. And now let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to block this number because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. As you can see right now we've got this characteristic icon which means that this number is blocked, has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tap on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this, let me leave it blocked. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So, and the other way, so the second way to block a number requires entering the settings. And here it doesn't really matter if it will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see we've just entered our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts, and here on the other hand you do not have to have the number currently saved, because here you can add the number manually. So let's tap on add a number, tap here, and as you can see you can just enter the number on the keypad, tap on block, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the blacklist, which again means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from blocked numbers. What's more, right here we've got the unknown option, so we can activate it just by tapping on the switcher again. Not again, but next to it, and it means that your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers, so it may be quite useful. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So if you'd like to unblock the numbers, all you have to do is to simply tap on this X button right next to it. So actually this is it. This is how to unblock the number in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.